Today we are discussing bike set, or your personal bike set. For this matter, you don't need any special equipment, but you need to have a very specific criteria by which you're settling your bike position, which goes around the saddle height, saddle horizontal placement. It's called forward aft. For aft, and it means shifting back and forth, and of course it's a handlebar position as well, but it's later on. First thing is a saddle position. First is a height, and the criteria is very simple and always the same. How we apply body weight in the best way to the pedals. So bike position is set up, goes by only one criteria: how to apply your body weight to the pedals in your pedaling. So you following this criteria, everything is fine. Height depends on how much you need the leg length around this vertical position. Put your pedal on the 6 o'clock position clockwise, and see that your heel position will be below pedal position on one, sometimes 2 fingers below this, when your knee straighten, completely straighten. This is what, without shifting your hips, of course. Your hips should be in the same position. This is what defines your saddle position. If your, for example, heel will be like that, it means your saddle is too high and you have to go down. If it's the opposite, too low below the pedal position, it means saddle is too low. So you have to adjust by this criteria. Second one is fore aft. Saddle in horizontal position. We are settling this by very simple arrangement. Put 3 9 o'clock pedals off the bike, just here slightly holding your fingers basically on the handlebar, not putting body weight there, and then from this position keeping body weight on both pedals, bending knee and release your hips on the saddle. This is what defines proper position. If this rear part of the saddle stick out too much, you measure by fingers, it means you have to move it under the hip. If it's opposite, your hips will be sticking out of the saddle, then this distance, which you measure by fingers again, will be too much, and you have to now move saddle backward. So, and this 2 major saddle positions will be set up for you. And then after that, you will just play around this position to make it more precisely for yourself. But for beginning, it will be good enough. Handlebar position related with already saddle position which you set up before. And the handlebar should be not on this extension like this. It should be something like you standing on the pedals, and you can put, without losing balance, your hands on the handlebar. This is what should be positioned here, and it's not here because you're losing balance and your weight will go too much on the handlebar. So height and position fore or aft of the handlebar again depend on your body weight location on the pedals. So this is, it's already set up for me, so it's easy. You see, I'm standing on pedals and my handlebars are very easily set up, and it's very easy to keep balance on this. This is a major setup procedure which you follow up, and by this you will have already set up major parameter how to place your body weight on the pedals. You do this, your pedaling will be much easier. This is our topic for today. Thank you.